This quick video for our plumbing contractors to describe why LeakTronics is both better and why it's not compatible with other manufacturers' equipment as far as leak detection is concerned. So LeakTronics builds our equipment with phantom power, and the phantom power, we're actually sending electricity to the piezo element, which is in the deck plate and which is in the soil probes of most of this equipment. And again, those are the two main components for listening for leaks. Now, by sending this electronic voltage to those piezo elements, we're just creating a real superior sensitivity so that we're able to pick up those sounds that are under these slabs and that under the grass and under whatever you're using to listen for these actual leaks. Another component to why our equipment is not compatible is our filtration. So again, it won't work with other people's equipment because of voltage irregularities, but it's paired up perfectly with the LT1000, which has a filtration device. And the filtration device allows you to back out a lot of those background noises, such as landscape noises, such as traffic noises, or other noises where you're listening, whether it's in a building or whether it's in grass in front of a building from meter to house or whatever it might be. We're able to filter out a lot of those background noises so that you can listen for that dynamic sound of the leak, and then it'll put you over it every single time. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.